Vision Next Foundation, in association with KM Hospital, has established a comprehensive eye care department in KM Hospital on 6th floor. So we have state-of-the-art facilities for cataract surgery, bladeless cataract surgery, phaco, latest laser machines to treat refractive error like LASIK, bladeless LASIK. Then we have dedicated department for diabetic retinopathy, pediatric ophthalmology. We have all the equipments, latest equipments required in the field of diabetic retinopathy, retinal disorder, retinopathy of prematurity. We have specialists who has experience of more than 8 years, 10 years in the field of super specialties. I am a refractive surgeon holding a record of almost 130,000 surgeries in my name. So we have state-of-the-art LASIK surgery facilities, presbyopic LASIK facilities. We have excimer laser, femtosecond laser in our department. So in all, it's everything in eye care as far as the eye diseases or anything related to eye care can be addressed, can be treated at Vision Next Foundation and KM Hospital.